How's it going, guys? Just want to show you two of my handguns I got here. I got the Glock 26 right there and the Glock 27. I couldn't make up my mind which one, so I just bought both of them. I know I could have just bought the kit, but I didn't want to do that. Pretty much the same size, exactly the same except the caliber. See, this is the 26 right here. You can fit about 10. And the Glock 27, you fit about 9. It says 9 right there. Pretty much the same thing almost. Just 40 is a little bigger though. Pretty good guns. I added the pinky extension to those. This is the Gen 4 with the pinky extension, so it fits pretty good. Like I said, they're exactly almost the same size and everything. Pretty much they are. Yeah, this is how I like to carry mine. Let me know what you guys think of these. Which one do you guys prefer? 9mm versus the 40 cal. Yeah, thanks for watching.